A family of frogs lived in a river, spending their days happily. Two bulls would come to the river daily to drink water. One day, the frogs noticed that only one bull had come to drink. The elder frog asked the bull, "Dear bull, why hasn't your companion come with you today?" The bull replied with great hatred and contempt, "We had a fight, so I came alone." When the bull left after drinking water, the elder frog turned to the young frogs and said, "Children, as soon as possible, leave this riverbank and settle somewhere else." The young frogs asked why, and the elder frog explained, "Wherever conflict and enmity arise, staying there is dangerous." A stubborn young frog arrogantly replied, "If you want to leave, go ahead. But I will stay here. What do we have to do with the bull's enmity?" The elder frog took his family to the other side of the river, while the foolish young frog remained behind. One day, both bulls came to drink water at the same time. First, they glared at each other with hatred, and then a fierce fight broke out. They battled intensely, injuring each other. The young frog watched the fight with amusement, unaware of the danger. As the bulls fought, they trampled over him. The poor frog was crushed under their feet. Before dying, the foolish frog remembered the elder frog's advice: fights and enmities are not just dangerous for those involved, but also for those who stay near them.